Hey everybody, welcome to video number 3, I believe, in the new for 2024 trading with RDV3 series. We're continuing. This is a new day. We're trading market open on June 6th, 2024. It's kind of an ugly situation here for, I don't know, overnight. Basically, everything's been going kind of sideways over here. Oops. Everything's been going kind of sideways over here in this range. If that's not a range, I don't know what a range is. That's kind of bonkers here. Like if we measure this out, how long was that? 15 hours so far of basically just this tiny little range. Oh, you're gonna be a pain, aren't you? All right, this tiny little range, basically like 40 points ish. Had a little bit of a wider swing this morning, but let's see how it goes. We're about 2 minutes away from market open. Let's kind of take a look at this. Let's take a look at this hour chart, see if we need to mark anything off. We've got the weekly high that we just hit just recently. I mean, nothing really close anytime there. We can say maybe we'll put something down here, but man, that's so far away. We'll kind of see what happens over here. So, I mean, right now we're basically long and long and long and you guessed it, long. I mean, I guess we'll go off the 5 minute. I mean, we've got two real levels here. Daily open is down below us, like not even 20 points. Here we go, folks. Market open. We're in a bit of a dip down here. Should we participate? Oh, why did that trigger one? Oh, probably because I was on the other chart. Maybe that's good that it triggered one. So we're short one, kind of messed up over there. I meant to do three. Maybe we should just flatten. Kind of regroup here. How far down do we have to go? Can't say any of these is real. Maybe this guy. Maybe this guy's in charge. Okay, well, we're going to go three long thinking that it's going to head up back to the top, but it may or may not. It's on the struggle bus. Might dip back down over here. I mean, that's a decent move. 15 points in just a couple seconds. Okay, we're long. We'll take one off up here. Get rid of this stuff. What's it gonna take for it to break? It's gonna take that. Okay, we're in for two. We'll just do a trail. Actually, no, we'll keep this right here. What we got? Well, let's flatten right there. It's at the top of our range. I'm thinking it's going to head down. I don't know if I want to short here. Shorting would have been better up here. That was a nice move. Should have shorted it. Like I said. Ugh. We're creating a level. So we're testing below 100 again. We'll be patient for once. And we missed it. That's okay. Perfectly okay. Because maybe it'll come back down and pick us up like that. Okay, how are we looking? We're in for 6. Let's punt 3 up here if it gets up there. You know, let's punt 2. Okay, got us. We're in for 4. I bet it's going to break. So we will stick with this. Try to stick with these 4 contracts. Come on. There we go. Because it's still edging up. We're momentum long. At least down here, we have been for about half hour-ish. And on here, we've been momentum long for 20 minutes. I just took one more off. It's really struggling with that 110-ish level. Well, it looks like it might roll over right here. Let's see if it gets up here. We'll tighten this up just so. Just want it to go back up here and take us out. Or do I pull the plug right here? I'm a little higher, dude. Oh, there you go. Okay, it took us out. We're in for 214 right now. It looks like it's kind of potentially gonna head down. I don't know, like maybe down here-ish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth test up here. Seventh. And it keeps going back. Yeah, should have held that. Oh well, that's okay. See if we can get in for a little bit of a short down to here, but it might hold like to here. Get out. I anticipate it's kind of going to go up there again, but it's still long. It's heading on up. It's holding the 24, holding the RDA. You can either trade this two ways, like just go back and forth, kind of like what we've been doing, because that seems like what the market's doing. Or you get in low and you just hold on. You have to have the conviction of as it approaches, like if we got in here at 90, every time it comes down, don't bail on it. Oh, while I've been yapping, we could have had another one here. This has been tested so many times. It's like getting riskier to get in. Because one of these, and I'd say the next one or two impulses, it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. It's going to break out of this dinky little range that it's been in. We'll call it a sub range. It's going to get out of this mess over here. Let's tighten this up a little bit. It's going to get out of this mess and then either shoot down, maybe down here or down to 60, how we were saying, or it's going to move on up to where it was earlier. But it looks like it's edging down. See if it'll do one last push up and then rip. Or is this the fake out before it runs up? One of the two. We invalidated the previous 5 minute. If it closes, here we go. We're getting close to our entries. Pick this up. See, I stepped away for a second and not much happened. Maybe that's a good thing. Let's kind of zoom in there a little bit. Struggling with the RDA. And we're getting a close here in a couple seconds on the 5 minute. So basically this guy enveloped that entire, actually the last two. So we will be patient-ish. So we just took a profit. Okay, is this a big move? I like big moves. This guy switched short. Let's see. Where's this might be a spot, or maybe not. See how things are looking here. It's too close. So it stopped right at that level that we identified from before. Okay, this fit, see if it holds right here. We kind of want it to hold right there. And it might be done. And we'll get out. Out. That wasn't bad. What we got? 469. Maybe we should have held it a little more, but that's fine. Now let's see what happens at this 69 level. See if it holds here, like right in this area. See if it holds there, or is it going to overshoot like into this area here? Yeah, looks like more downside. Maybe it won't overshoot all the way down there. You know what, maybe we'll call it here and I'll continue this in another video because we're about 20 minutes in. All right, so we're gonna call this around 8:50. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you all in the next one.